If you have already created a pivot table calculated field and you would like to rename it, this is what you can do. I already have created the sum of field 1 calculated field here, which is multiplying the units with unit price. And if I want to modify it, I can go to pivot table, analyze, field items and sets, and calculated field, and then I can select my field 1. However, in this example here, you can only modify the formula, but you can't modify its name. If you truly want to change its name, you can't do it, and you will have to recreate the pivot table, unfortunately. So what I'm about to do is I deleted the original one that I had and I added a new name over here called revenue, and I'm hitting OK. And once I've done that, you noticed over here field 1 has changed to revenue, and now I can use this revenue field everywhere in my pivot table. Unfortunately, this is a limitation of Excel pivot tables. You cannot really rename your calculated field. You will have to delete it and to recreate it with the correct name from the first go. So that's how to do it. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.